Fine. Let us go to the third chapter, that is factors and multiples. Right. Fine. Yeah, factors. What exactly the factor is? If a number is exactly divisible by another number, right, without leaving any remainder, then the second number is said to be a factor of first number. Or you can take this, a number that divides the given number exactly is called a factor of the number, right? So that is called as factor. Let us check out here what happens. See, you are supposed to remember some points here. One is the factor of every number, right? So every number is a factor of itself. This is second point, right? Whenever you are going to find the factor for any number, one and the number itself is going to be the factors. Then the third point, a number is exactly divisible by its factors. So take an example of 6. What are all the factors of 6? That is 1 and as well as 6. You write down. Then you check out whether it is divisible by 2. Yes, 2 3s are 6. Yes, 2 completely divided, it is divisible. Then 3, right? So 1 2 3 6 are the factors of 6. That's it. There a number is exactly divisible by its factors. So now you again check out. So if you divide 6 by 1, so you are not going to get any reminders. Yes or not? See, 2 similarly, 3 and as well as 6 also. Factors of a number are always less than or equal to that number, right? And as well as the number of factors of a number are finite. It is going to be finite. It is not infinite. But in case of multiple, it is infinite. But in case of factor, it is finite. These 5 points you need to remember. Let us check out here. Find all the factors of 200. Let me check out 200 factors. So first of all, you know 1 is a factor of 200, right? And as well as 200. This is okay. Now let us check with this. Can we divide by 2? Yes. 2 is also a factor of 200. Then can we divide by 3? No. Can we divide by 4? Let me check out. 200 by 4. That is how much? It is 50 into 4. 50 into 4 is 200. Yes. 4 and as well as 50 is also a factor. Then what happens then? 10. Yes. 10 into 20. It is 200. Right. Again you can take 10 and 20. Right. Then 25 8s are, right? 25 8s are is 200, right? Again 8 and as well as 25 is also a factor of 200. Then 10 has finished, 20 is finished, 15 is not possible. So 30 is not possible. 35, 40, no. 40, yes. 40 into 5. 40 into 5, yes, it is divisible, right? Then what? 50 into 4. Yes, 54s are 200. Then 75 is not possible. So let us go with 100. 100 into 2 is 200. So the factor of 200 is 1, then 2, then 4, right? Then 5, then 8, 10, 20, right? 10, 20. Then 25, right? 50 and then 100, and then one more is there, no? 40. So how many factors are there now? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. It's not here. It's okay. Total 11 factors are there. Let me check out once again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 11, 12. 200 also you need to consider. So there are around 12 factors are there for 200. Right. So let me solve a lot of problems based on this factors and as well as multiple, so that you will understand. What exactly the common factors? You got to know how to find the factor. Now what the common factor is? Factor the two numbers have in common are called common factors of those numbers. Okay. So let us check out with this. What are the common factors of 15 and 35? Let us check with 15 first. 15. So 1, right? Then it is not possible to divide by 2. 3, yes, 3 5s are. 4 is not possible. 5, yes. 6, 7 is not possible. So then go to 15 itself, right? 15. The factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 15. Let me check out the factor of 35. Factor of 35 is 1, 5, 7 and 35. So the common factor is what here? Here also 5 is there, here also 5 is there. So 5 is the common factor of 15 and 35. So this is the answer. Right, this is how you need to find the common factor. Let us go with the one more problem, that is 225 and 125. So let me go with the first 125. I'll go 125. 1, right? Then 5, right? Then 15 is not possible. 25, right? So now what happens here? So 75 is not possible, 100 is also not possible, 125. The common factor, the factor of 125 is 1, 5, 25, 125. Now let me check with the 225. For 225, it is 1, right, 5, 15, right, 15, 15 is 225, then 7, 3 is, so let me check out with this. 7, no, it's not possible. 3 is possible. 3 7s are 1, yes, 3 is also possible here. 3 is also possible. Then 15, then 75, because 75 3 is 225, and then 225. What is the common factor here? 5 only here also. So 5 is the common factor for 225 and as well as 125. Hope you understood. Let us go with this multiple. A multiple of a number is the number obtained by multiplying it with other number. It's very simple. In other words, the product of two or more numbers is said to be a multiple of each of those numbers. Say for example, if you take this, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Here 4, 8, 12, 16 are called as multiple of 4. Suppose if it is 3, 3 is multiple, what happens? 1, not 1, 3, 6, 9, 12. So here what happens? You need to remember some points. See, first thing is every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. That is first point. Second point, every number is a multiple of itself. Right? See, suppose if you take 3, 3 is a multiple of itself. Now, every multiple of a number is exactly divisible by the number, other number. Right, multiple. Say for example, 3 multiple, if you take 3, 6, 9, 12. So, this 6, 9, 12 are divisible by 3. Next, number of multiples of a number are infinite. It is continuous, it is not going to be finite. It is not at all going to stop anywhere. So that's what it is infinite. But in case of factor, it is finite. Right. So now, similar to the common factor, there is a concept that is common multiple. Common multiple is a number that is a multiple of two or more numbers. Let us check out. So for 24 and 36 is a common multiple of 4. Let us check how. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, right? And then 4 4s are 16, then 20, 24, 32, right? Then 36, 40 and so on. Now, common multiple of 24 and 36 is 4. This 4 is a common multiple. Hope you understood. Let us go with the prime factor. The prime factor of a quantity are all of the prime quantities that will exactly divide the given quantity. See, say for example 96, if you take find the factors of 96, that is prime factors, not factors, prime factors. Prime factors, prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself. So that we have to find out. Now let us check with 96. Start dividing like this. 2 to 4s are 1 to 8s are. Next is 2 to 2s are 2 4s are. Right, then 2 12s, then again 2 6, then again 2 3s. Now these are all prime numbers, right? So the prime factor of 96 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 5 2's, right, into 3. This is called prime factors. Hope you understood.